Today we are going to talk about 1 mm square wire. 1 mm square gauge wire is commonly used in low-voltage electrical installations and is suitable for many domestic and commercial applications. Here are typical technical data for a wire of this gauge. Used material. The inner conductor of the 1 mm square wire is usually made of copper or aluminum, both of which are electrically conductive materials. Copper is most common because of its excellent electrical conductivity. Maximum electric current. The maximum electrical current capacity that a 1 mm square wire can carry depends on the specific installation conditions and local electrical codes. However, under typical installation conditions, this wire can safely handle currents up to approximately 10 to 15 amps. It is important to consult your local electrical codes and manufacturer's specifications to determine exact current capacity. Common applications. 1 mm square wires are often used to power low-power devices and equipment such as lighting, power outlets, small appliances, switches and other low-demand loads. They are suitable for use in lighting circuits, outlet circuits in residential and commercial environments, among others. Maximum supported temperature. The maximum temperature that a 1 mm square wire can withstand depends on the insulation used in the wire. Electrical wires are classified by types of insulation that determine their ability to resist heat. In general, standard PVC, polyvinyl chloride, insulated wires will withstand operating temperatures up to about 70 degrees Celsius. If it is necessary to withstand higher temperatures, wires with silicone insulation or other heat-resistant material can be used, which can withstand temperatures in excess of 100 degrees Celsius. Comments. Remember that these technical data are general and may vary depending on local regulations, manufacturer's specifications and specific installation conditions. It is essential to consult a qualified electrician or electrical engineer when planning and carrying out electrical installations to ensure that all safety standards and regulations are met.